Well, there she is. Meet Doris. All right. We're currently trying to get her off the trailer. Battery's dead. All right, we got her off the truck. I had to pull her off because she won't start. But boy, is she dusty. This thing is in much rustier condition than I originally thought. But that's okay, because we knew she was going to be rusty. She was a salt truck. That's what they do. They rust. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with this thing. But she's going to haul. I can tell you that. I just noticed a problem. It looks to me like the dump bed on this bad boy is pretty much non-existent. It's pretty much just this plywood, which is kind of a problem. That wasn't really disclosed. But, you know, it's just some metal. It's just some welding. Everything else seems to be working just fine. I just gotta get her to turn on. What else? Some new step-up bars. Looks like there's a little bit of frame rot, but not too bad.